How to use Meedly Slots Finder. Meedly Slots Finder is the core feature used to coordinate meeting times across participants. It allows you to quickly find mutually available time slots without manual back and forth communication. To get started, simply enter the email addresses of the participants you want to meet with. Select the meeting duration, choose your preferred date range, and click Find. Meetly will analyze everyone's availability and display suitable time slots. In some cases, Meetly may require additional setup before showing availability. For example, some participants may not yet be connected through Meetly, or certain organizations may be using Meetly in private mode. When this happens, Meetly will prompt you to send the necessary invitations. You can proceed by clicking Next, and Meetly will automatically handle the setup process by sending MeeedlyConnect invitations. Once the participants accept and complete the setup, you will be able to coordinate meetings with them seamlessly. If no additional setup is required, Meetly will immediately display available time slots based on all participants' real-time availability. You do not need to worry about time zones or scheduling conflicts. Meetly automatically accounts for time zone differences, existing calendar events, and availability settings across all participants. This ensures that only valid and conflict-free time slots are shown. Once the available slots are displayed, you have multiple options. Schedule instantly by selecting a time slot, copy the scheduling link and share it via email or messaging platforms, or send directly via Meetly, allowing participants to choose their preferred time. These options give you flexibility in how you coordinate meetings depending on the situation. Enjoy streamlined and efficient meeting coordination with Meetly.